Further afield, the U.S. House of Representatives has voted to rescind U.S. President Donald Trump tariffs on Canadian goods in a 219 to 211 vote. 6 Republican lawmakers joined Democrats to back a resolution that seeks to end the tariffs Trump imposed on Canada last year. Details of this story and others in our International Business Roundup.
Is largely symbolic, as it will need to be approved by the U.S. Senate and then approved by Trump, who is very unlikely to sign it into law. Since his re-election, Donald Trump has imposed a series of tariffs on Canada, recently threatening a 100% import tax in response to Canada's proposed trade deal with China. The vote came after U.S. House Speaker Mike Johnson, a Trump ally in Congress, unsuccessfully tried to block the discussion on the chamber's floor by lawmakers on Trump's tariffs. Trump's tariffs are also facing legal scrutiny, as the U.S. Supreme Court is set to rule soon on a case questioning the president's legal authority to impose the levies. Elsewhere, Russia has attempted to fully block WhatsApp in the country, the company said, as the Kremlin continues to tighten restrictions on messaging apps. Meta-owned WhatsApp said the move aimed to push more than 100 million of its app users in Russia to a state-owned surveillance app. Russian internet regulator Roskomnadzor said earlier this week that it was further curbing access to messaging app Telegram, as well as citing lack of security. Telegram is highly popular in Russia and widely used by its forces in Ukraine. Finally, Unilever has warned that 2026 sales growth could come in at the bottom end of its forecast range after a slowdown in the US and Europe, even as emerging markets delivered a fourth quarter sales beat. After spinning off the Magnum ice cream company in December, CEO Fernando Fernandez is under pressure to show that Unilever's emphasis on personal care, beauty and well-being, which now account for more than half of turnover, is a winning strategy. The maker of Dove soaps and Hellmann's mayonnaise said it expects 2026 underlying sales growth at a lower end of its 4 to 6% multi-year guidance range due to softer market conditions.